how to switch languages on the Samsung keyboard for the Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, you want to swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, we tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then in here, we go down and tap on languages and types. Then tap on manage input languages. Now in here, scroll down the list and select the language that you want to use. So here I will install Vietnamese keyboard. I will tap on the toggle button to turn it on. And I'll tap on the back key. Here we can see now there are 3 different languages has been added to the keyboard input. After that, tap on the home button. Now open up an app and then bring up the keyboard. To switch between the different language, all you have to do is just tap on this globe icon and that will allow you to switch to a different language. Now you can also touch and hold on the globe and a pop-up menu will appear. From here, you can select the desired language that you want to use on your keyboard at that point in time. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.